All right, y'all, we're just gonna head up the road. There was a pulverized trash bag this morning that I saw while heading to the train station. I'll post up video of my dash cam saw, but it was a freaking disaster. I just wanted to go try to clean it up a little bit. Before, you know, before it all blows away. I mean, I'm sure it's all over the place by now. It's been hours. Yeah, here we go. Here's just some of it. Let me just pull in here and see if I can clean up some of this mess. So, yes, it's a freaking mess. And we are gonna pick up some of it, I guess. Yeah, I guess we'll try to collect some over the next half an hour or so. Alright, I think we're mostly done. Got like 3 or 4 buckets of just loose trash that was blowing around. I don't think this was all of it because it went all over the place. But I feel like we rounded some of it up, so. Deal with some of the stuff before it blew all over the place. If you haven't checked it out, I have a GoFundMe for all the pickups that I do. Links in the description. Helps me buy grabbers that I keep breaking and bags and stuff like that. But you know, check it out. If you'd like to donate, awesome, thank you. If not, just get out and clean up your communities, because there's only one of me and can't keep up with this. So pay it forward, y'all.